How to change a name on Telegram. Welcome to a new tutorial on our channel. In today's video, you will learn how to change the name on your Telegram profile. Let's go step by step. Open the Telegram app on your phone. Enter your profile by clicking on the three lines in the top left corner. Then open the My Profile section to access profile edits. Press on the three dots in the top right corner. In the menu, click on Edit Info. There you will find your current name. The first item you see is your name. Delete it and enter a new name. Save the new name by clicking on the check mark. And that's it. You have successfully changed the name on your Telegram profile. Follow the channel if you like our content. See you soon with new digital updates.